So this one works fine. In the olden days, you could put these down whilst that was on its time and they finished together.
Yeah.
1121, the 1122 Northern train service for Leeds.
You're now joining us, folks, from
A ship pit.
Brayford level crossing in Bradford.
Eh?
And
Which one does it connect to Interchange or Porter Square?
And a disgusting river that's actually quite embarrassing. It's not even much better on the other side.
It's the same water. Right.
I love how it's got the really dinky barriers here as well.
Yeah.
Brayford. This will be the northern. Should be anyway, I think. I wasn't really listening to Phoebe. Should have left Lincoln now. Oh, tell a lie then, it has. There's one Lima 56 for Leeds. 11:22 service. One on 5013. For Leeds. Should go up. The next train's not for 5 minutes. Even though the next train's not for 5. Alright, I think we're staying down, folks, which is quite annoying because the next train's not for 5 minutes. Fuck's sake. Right. Can't believe this road used to be bi-directional, now it's one way with a cycle lane and a bridge that didn't used to be there. This and High Street changed a lot in the last 15 years, more than you'll realise. I love how many like signs with a name on this crossing's got. Like there's Brayford level crossing on Brayford Wharf East, another sign with your information, and then they've just felt the need to just put it on the box. That's a bit odd, isn't it? But there you go. We're stupidly staying down even though the next train's not for 3 minutes. So this is going to be a 6-minute closure because we can't do shit. Next train's the Azuma, I think. If I can get the thing up because it doesn't want to load. Signal was working fine and it's gave up. And now I've just pressed it backwards twice so it sent me on a different page. That was a good start. Yeah, this is 1 Bravo 83 for London. Just changed the points for it. If you didn't hear Fabe there, we're staying for another one. There's 3 in close proximity, Grimsby, Leicester and Doncaster. We might well stay for all 3 of them. The bad part is that we could actually stay for all 3 of these unless one gets held, which probably will happen. What a bloody farce. You seen there's 3 in close proximity? Have you seen there's 3 more after this in close proximity? Would you be surprised if we stayed for all of them? Here? Were you here? Were you here for it? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. There's a potential we are down for 5 trains. We've seen one. We've got one about to come in the next minute. But then there's 3 in close proximity. 2 EMRs and the bloody 153 for Network Rail. Which is over at Highcombe. And he's 10 minutes early, so that's the reason why. So what these two expected around the same... It's not focusing. These two expect around the same time. But then you've got him at 11:33. And then if... No, I mean, I really hope we don't get that one. Oh, it goes a different way anyway, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm very useless at this thing. It goes a different way. 6 minutes for one train. Welcome to Brayford. Finally. This might be 5 trains, it's ridiculous. Right, the train's left. Right, here's Eleanor Zima for London King's Cross. Second train in 6 minutes. (800-207). For London. We're not going up, we'll be staying for more. Charmer. Did you hear that, folks? I mean, I need to get a life, apparently. Do you hear him? I'm gonna have a go at me for saying I needed to get a life. I mean, who's ever heard of just leaving people to do what they want to do? It's not a thing anymore, apparently. I don't really think that was necessary, but there you go. I'm used to it by now. You do this for 7 years and you get all kinds of shite your way. It's not pleasant, but it is what it is. Fucking 8 minutes for 2 trains, how stupid. Here's the train, bloody hell. 158774. For Grimsby Town. We should go up because the next one's in the station. There we go. 8 minutes for 3 trains. Fucking hell. Missed it because I was busy. So late start.
To Leicester on the 11:42 Network Rail service from Derby to Doncaster via Barnetby, Gainsborough, Cleethorpes and Barnetby.
Sorry I missed the closure there, folks. 1 second, just pick my bag up, it's in the corner here because I don't trust it on its own after what I've just had. Cyclist that you saw in the previous closure went down towards the high street before realising that was down as well, and then came back this way. I think that was him again. Probably. Misusing this time.
Not bad anyway.
People never learn.
Oh, that's comical. I've logged on to my book face. I'm in the Croydon group. It's not official. New edition. Takes 15 working days to climb a hill. Not sure who knocked out the lamppost.
Is it the Omni City?
I think it was probably the driver that knocked the fucking lamppost out. I've demolished half.
I didn't even know there was a group for it. That's quite strange.
Yeah, it's an unofficial one on Facebook, but Toby, Overhead Third Rail, is in there. So we do get official. Because I'm not in the centre of Discord.
Which way is the 15? Oh, I see. Okay, do you know which line it's coming on?
Closest.
Oh, bit
Same
annoying.
with this sense, we're not get bold with that.
True.
Here he is.
Right, here's the network rail.
Not routed yet though.
Test train. What's, he's going to stop, is he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Whatever singular coins in my pocket is the bet is number 76. I've got one random coin I picked up weeks ago and I don't know what it is.
I've already seen that one, so hopefully not.
Could be 76.
Never have much luck.
I think it was the first to include as well.
He's already coming?
They're going on the up line.
No, he's stopped the fellow line.
Yeah, I heard the brakes.
Yeah.
The brakes that they've nabbed from British Rail. Oh, when Roblox copies real life. When real life even copies Roblox, I hate them.
Roblox is an absolute mess these days, it really is. I don't bother most of the time.
I don't.
We stopped making videos on Roblox about 2 years ago and have no plans to bring it back. So sorry to disappoint anybody.
Who's the geezer that's still recording with fuck knows how old on Lego train games?
It more makes me laugh that he films like the same paper trains
Yeah.
at any random crossing, and then he treats it as though it's the real thing because he can't be bothered to
does.
go to do
Like,
through the real thing.
We're a metaphorical place between Pontypool and Kimbran, so it's the Tranad Conry or Mancunion Piccadilly, Aberdeen.
And he makes a whole big thing about like what train it is, where it's going. It's going from
fucking
one. It's going from one end of the map to the other. It's,
That's what I said on mine.
Yeah.
From over there to there.
here's the first train, Leicester.
There he stopped. Not this one, that'd be weird. 502. Brayford, they went more.
Oh, that was clever.
The last was 3. This is 1, and the second train's waiting to come through. That is route.
So put them up, even though the next train is down the line, and that makes no sense. But there you go.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Oh. These knobheads again. That's really worth 2 minutes up.
No.
I always think that Doncaster is that big, sex up here, but I don't realise it's coming from this.
Yeah.
It's a massive round run. Short of 11:38 for 11:42 network rail service Derby Doncaster.
Do you reckon I'll be better that side?
That's that 170 that the user worked.
Skewbridge.
Yeah.
Do you reckon I'll be better on the other side?
Maybe get him
I'll
over
cry.
that little bridge.
Yeah.
Excuse me, how long till the next train?
Should be gone in the next 2 minutes.
2 minutes, thank you.
I love when people ask Fabe when the next train is, just because they recognise him or know him, or it's quite fun. I mean, he's been doing this that many years. You'd be mad not to, wouldn't you? Okay, well, we'll just stop here for a second. I think it's coming. Still hear them. There it is. Yeah, I've got to say the state of that river leaves much to be desired. I was told the university, which is like there, is responsible for cleaning it, but they clearly don't, which is not good. Right, here's the train. See, we'll just back up a second. I'll put it on the goofy zoom. Hang on. One 153.311 for Doncaster. And we'll go up, I think. Yeah, there we're gone. Was it quickie? 2 minutes? Not bad.
See his shirt said please use it and had his brain on it. Very helpful. Don't let Reform see that, you get bloody blasted.
This is 2 trains. Let's see how much of a disaster this turns into. Which are both due around the same time. EMR's at the platform. Freight's currently at the junction. Should be over at West Holmes at the minute. And next train after that's about 12 o'clock. Well, about 5 to 12 because it's a bit early, but we're not staying for that. We're going to disappear and go and get lunch, I think. Because the length of closures that we've seen, it's literally long enough to say, fuck it, we've recorded enough. And we haven't even been here that long. We just saw one ridiculously long closure, and that makes a pretty hefty video in itself, so it fills it out really. Mad to think that all of these buildings are new. None of them were here 15 years ago. This whole landscape looked different. Mad, innit? Is this the train? Yep, it's here. On 7510. For Doncaster. And we'll stay for the freight that's about a minute away. Give or take, anyway. That'll be us done, I think. Because we've been here long enough. Doesn't feel like it, but that's because of the really long closure we saw earlier on. I could put that video out on its own and it'd do fine. Probably will, to be fair. Because it's the only one where anything interesting happens. But then again, this is a freight coming, so it makes for something of any interest. I think it's coming from that way. I don't know this place very well at all. Yeah, there it is. 66004. And that's a lot. Up we go. Three minutes, nearly 4, not bad.